In the market for a high-end SUV? Well, we've got the goods on the Lincoln Navigator. This supersized SUV can accommodate up to 8 people, which may be overkill for some. You might think that there's a massive V8 lurking under the Navigator's hood. Instead, what you'll find is a 3.5-liter V6 turbo, hooked up to a mostly smooth 10-speed automatic transmission. When properly equipped, the Navigator can tow up to 8,300 pounds. Getting the optional heavy-duty towing package includes a feature that simplifies backing up with a trailer, allowing the driver to direct the vehicle with a knob, while the SUV uses the automated parking ability and rear-view camera to take care of the actual steering. As you'd expect, the Navigator was clearly out of its element around Sierra's test track, invoking references to a roly-poly toy. And this imposing SUV is so wide that drivers need to take extra care when the road gets narrow. At least the cabin is very quiet. There's hardly a trace of any road or wind noise, and the turbo V6 engine sounds sedate and relaxed compared to the brawny V8 growl of the competing Cadillac Escalade. The Opulent Cabin is full of leather, wood, and chrome, and certainly looks the part of a luxury SUV. However, the modern-looking 10-way power front seats are uncomfortable. At least the second row captain's chairs are large and accommodating, with seat heating and individual USB charging ports. Even the third row is spacious enough for adults. All Navigators come standard with rear parking sensors, a welcome feature when trying to maneuver such a big truck into a tight spot. Blind spot warning also comes standard across the board. A handy 360-degree bird's eye view camera system is available. Beginning any trip in the Navigator requires fiddling with the electronic gear selector, an unintuitive row of chrome buttons on the center dash. You have to make quite a reach, carefully decipher the buttons, and then apply the dexterity of a pianist to choose your gear. This unconventional gear selector proved to be a real pain when parking. Most other controls are easy to use. A tablet-like 10-inch touchscreen is perched on the dash, serving as the main gateway for audio, phone, navigation, and other features. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay are standard. As you'd expect in a vehicle this big, there's an abundant cargo area. A powered hands-free liftgate is standard. If drivers have the key fob on them, a kicking motion under the center of the big rear bumper powers open the liftgate, a big help when hands are full. When it comes to buying, we'd make sure to get forward collision warning and automatic emergency braking. Our test model was so equipped. The price came to a luxury car level $86,480. For more on SUVs, check out consumerreports.org.